1HourGPT AI has just been released, and today we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just someone curious about new AI tools, stick around until the end because we'll cover what makes 1HourGPT unique, what it can do for your business, and whether it's worth your time. First off, 1HourGPT is designed to supercharge productivity and streamline tasks that would normally take hours. This AI tool focuses on automation, helping you create high-quality content in minutes, no matter the niche. Imagine having a tool that can generate everything from blog posts and email templates to social media content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. What makes this software stand out is its simplicity. It's built with ease of use in mind, so even if you're new to AI tools, you won't feel overwhelmed. The interface is intuitive, and it doesn't require any coding or technical knowledge to get started. This is huge for people who are looking for an AI software that doesn't need a steep learning curve. One of the most exciting features of 1HourGPT is its versatility. Whether you're a marketer crafting email sequences, a content creator looking for new blog ideas, or a business owner needing quick copy for ads or landing pages, 1HourGPT adapts to your needs. You can choose from a variety of templates, making it easy to get started with specific tasks. It's like having a personal AI assistant that knows exactly what you need. Another reason to pay attention to 1HourGPT is its ability to create SEO-optimized content. This is a game changer for marketers, especially if you're working with limited resources or just starting out. You don't have to be an expert in SEO to create content that ranks. 1HourGPT does the heavy lifting by offering suggestions based on trending keywords and high-ranking topics, saving you hours of research. The AI's learning curve isn't the only thing that's simple. The software also generates content quickly. So quickly, in fact, that it can complete tasks in a fraction of the time other tools might take. For example, what could normally take an hour, 1HourGPT can handle in under 10 minutes. This speed is invaluable for anyone in a fast-paced environment, like digital marketing, where time is money. One potential downside to 1HourGPT is its reliance on the quality of your input. The better the information you provide, the better the output will be. While this is true for most AI tools, it's important to mention, especially if you're trying to use it for more complex or niche tasks. If you're just generating basic content or emails, it's a breeze. Now let's talk pricing. You can try 1HourGPT for free, which is fantastic for anyone who wants to test it before making any commitment. This free trial gives you full access to the software's core features, so you can see for yourself whether it fits your needs. To wrap up, 1HourGPT is an AI software that could dramatically change how you create content, whether you're working in marketing, content creation, or business. It's fast, user-friendly, and versatile, with the ability to optimize your workflow. If you want to try it for yourself, there's a free trial linked in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've personally found this one to be among the most efficient. Make sure to check out my list of recommended AI tools in the description, all of which you can try for free. If you found this review helpful, you'll want to explore even more of the top AI software out there that can boost your productivity and efficiency.